now the time is 7 p.m. and we are going to this special food street. Let's check the local food and we can find different kinds of food like spicy food. Let's see.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Come, let's have a dinner.
Okay. A lot of funny things here. They're taking this, the black color is called as a bad smell tofu. It smells very bad but tastes, I don't know. But these people, they like it a lot. Wow. This is a bad smell tofu. Let me taste. Spicy. Damn spicy. Oh, thank you. 太辣了。对。这个好不好吃？这个是那个。这个是甜的还是那个辣的？
有甜的，有辣的。
哦，现在是你给我的甜的，是不是？
你有甜的还是要辣的？
我要
辣的。
甜的。
一个甜一个辣。
现卖了啊！这是adding sugar, right？ 这个怎么甜呢？
甜。
哦。甜的。
不用辣的吗
？You want to try this one？ 我尝一下。
甜不甜？没那么辣。
Normally, this is very common in China. You can see everywhere a middle-aged woman will be dancing, and this is called square dancing. Now, I'm walking further to searching for strange and interesting local food, and this street is very interesting to me because I can see lots of funny activities from the shopkeeper and the people hanging around. Many interesting shops here selling different kinds of stuffs like local snacks, dresses, toys and many things. As you can see, now people started coming out, and in the late evening you can see more crowd. Hey, what is this crowd? Let me check. Wow, a strong guy is preparing candy in a very local traditional way. That's funny, really interesting. Wow, this guy is preparing fresh red chili spicy pickle. I have no guts to taste it. One more shop, and this guy is preparing that the bad smell tofu in a very traditional way. This is how they make this, the bad smell tofu. I don't want to taste it again.
营养价值高的。
这个是甜的，可不可以尝一下一个？我尝一下一个。
一口吃。好吃吗
Very tasty. I like. Smoke ice cream, no any taste but only for fun, and I paid 25 yuan per glass. fan, which is very nutritious and healthy food, which you can have it in breakfast or in the evening snacks. And also it's very cheap. Chan fan 很好吃. Chan fan taste is very good. I like it. Actually, the taste of scorpion was really good. A crispy, a very little salty, and no bad smell. I like it.